Hello viewers, let us see a project on self-made home automation system in a simple way. Let us see the components of this project. Arduino Uno, Bluetooth module, relay module and 4 devices. Here we have placed 4 lights. You can place any device or home appliance in place of the lights. In order to switch on the Arduino, you have to give a 5V supply, and to activate the Bluetooth module and relay module, this 5V supply is enough. As long as you give a supply of 5V to the Arduino, it will process the input and the processor gives an output of around 1.2V to the Bluetooth module. In order to switch on the relay module, we have to give a 5V supply, but as we are getting 1.2V here, this output has to be amplified and given as input to the relay module. In order to make that amplified, we use transistors that makes to invert the signal. As long as we give a 5V supply that is amplified and inverted to the relay module, it will be on. The usage of this relay module is by just giving a 5V supply, we can maintain or control 4 devices that are giving a 230V supply. As we can see, the circuit explains everything about this project. Firstly, user have to maintain a mobile app in his phone. User will control or give the commands to the Bluetooth module using an app that you will find in Google Play Store. User gives signals to Bluetooth module and that gives the commands to Arduino. That Arduino processes the commands and gives the outputs to the relay module. At here, as we are giving only 5V to the relay module to be on, we can maintain an LEDs also. But here I want to control home appliances, so I give a 230V supply additionally by just giving a 5V supply to the relay module. This relay module will give commands to 4 devices, as the app supports only 4 devices. If you want more controlling appliances, you have to change your relay module to 8. The code that is to be dumped in Arduino Uno is given in the description that we have already dumped in it. Then in the code process, the on becomes off and off becomes on. Let us go through the process. In order to use this home automation, you have to search a Bluetooth app in your device in your Google Play Store. You will find such an app with 4 maintaining devices. As I have already mentioned, the on became off and off became on because of using transistors. So instead, you have to click on off to on a device. This Bluetooth is at a range of 10 meters because we are using a module HC05. After giving every supply and making sure of your connections, you have to install this app and make sure your Bluetooth is on and connected to Bluetooth module. If you want to switch on all the appliances or devices to connect on, you have to click on off. This is because the inverted signal from the transistors will change the status on to off and off to. If you want to off all the devices at a time, you have to click on. If you want a particular device to be on, you have to click on device 1 off. You can rename the device 1 device to here as you wish. And if you want device 2 to be on, you have to click on off. And if you want third device, you have to click on third device on. Same as 4. You can do the same as to switch off all these devices. This is how we maintain home automation using a Bluetooth module from your phone. The applications of this projects are you can make your own project in order to maintain, in order to control your appliances within your room. You can't control outside of your room because it will be out of the range of the Bluetooth module. If you can replace the Bluetooth module with GSM module, you can control from any distance from your phone messages. Using GSM module, you can just send messages or instructions that you will give in your code, and because of sending messages to the SIM that you insert in GSM module, you can control the appliances. And instead of GSM, you can use DTMF module and you can control it doing a phone call. You do a phone call to the SIM that is inserted in, and you can control using the numbers in your keypad. This is how this project is useful. Thank you for watching. This is our projects.